Alrighty, so in the last video, we looked at the organisation of long-term memory, including declarative memory and procedural memory. A big part of the organisation of long-term memory that we didn't cover though is the semantic network theory. This is what we'll be looking at in this video. We know that semantic refers to meaning, remember? Craik and Lockhart's semantic level of encoding is all about linking meanings. A network we can understand as a series of interconnecting things, and a theory is, well, a theory. If we put those things together, then we have, basically, a theory about a series of interconnecting meanings. In essence, that is exactly what the semantic network theory is. Indeed, the semantic network theory proposes that we mentally store information by their meanings. There are three parts of the theory that are of particular importance, especially if you are asked to provide a definition. They are the theory's hierarchical structure, nodes, and links. The hierarchical structure bit just means that the bigger or more overarching concepts are higher than less important stuff. For example, you might have animals above cats and birds, because cats and birds are both types of animal. That is, animal is an umbrella term of the two. On the diagram, you will see three different boxes, one for animals, one for cats, and one for birds. These are called nodes. Nodes are the specific pieces of information that make up the semantic network. And you will also note that the nodes are joined by lines. We call these lines links. Typically, a short line will denote a very close relationship between the nodes, whereas a long line will denote a more distant relationship. So now we have our three characteristics of the semantic network system: a hierarchical structure, nodes, and links. Each node, of course, could then be further divided into more nodes joined by more links on another level of the hierarchical structure. For example, using again our example of animals, we could distinguish between birds that can fly and birds that cannot fly, and then we could give some examples of birds that can't fly. Important to note is that the semantic network theory doesn't need to be linear, and nodes from various levels of the hierarchy can interconnect. For example, here is a semantic network theory provided by Vika in the 2012 assessment report. Let's have a go at a practice question then. This one is from the 2012 Vika exam. It reads, use an example to explain semantic network theory. It's worth 3 marks.
Hey Michaela, I think Vika wants you to use those 3 characteristics of the semantic network theory. Doing that, plus applying them to a suitable example, should get you those full 3 marks.
Yes. Hi Nicole. Thanks for that. So we could say, the semantic network theory suggests that long-term memory is stored according to meaning. It contains information stored in nodes, joined by links in a hierarchical structure. Now that we have provided some background information, it would be best to draw what you mean. So you could draw any semantic network. It could be about sport, or music, or language, or household items, or anything. Next up, we're going to look at forgetting. Keep working hard and have a psychedelic day.